Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on here because there's been some late breaking exciting news. So Cricut actually has listened to everybody and they have changed their policy on upload limits of 20 images per month. They are now announcing that if you register your Cricut machine by December 31st of 2021, then you will continue to be able to upload unlimited number of images and or patterns. So that's really exciting news. They actually listened to everybody and changed their policy. They also mentioned something, they were going to try to work out something for teachers and other educators. And so that's kind of cool too. So it's important to get your machine registered and sign up with a Cricut account by December 31st of this year, 2021, in order to continue to be able to do the unlimited uploads. The other thing they mentioned is that, say you bought a used machine from someone else, well then you just have to register that machine and create a Cricut account for it, and you can have those unlimited uploads as well. So it's really cool that they listen to us. We don't know what's going to happen after December 31st, if they're going to change the policy or what's going to happen. But if you register your machine before the end of 2021, then as long as you have that machine, you will have unlimited uploads. So really exciting news. Just wanted to pop on here and share that with you all. They've put something out on their website, out on their blog, so you can read that. But it's basically in a nutshell what I just told you all. So anyway, exciting news. It's really cool that Cricut actually listened to the community. All right, you all have a great night, and I will see you all here next time.